Let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve your issue with the black screen during calls on iPhone 17. So the first thing that we can do is go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna choose accessibility, and then over here we want to go to motion. You want to disable reduce motion if it is enabled. In the settings, in the main menu of settings, we can also go to display and brightness, and you can turn off raise to wake to see if it makes any difference. If after disabling these two options you still have issue with the black screen, another thing that you can do is go to general, scroll down and choose transfer or reset iPhone, choose reset, and then over here we have reset all settings. You want to reset all settings to default values and then check if this helps. If the issue with the black screen started appearing after installing the screen protector, if you have a screen protector installed on your iPhone 17, then this can also be the reason why the black screen issue is, showing on your iPhone 17. So if that's the case, if it just started happening after installing screen protector, you want to probably remove the screen protector. You can also perform force restart of your iPhone 17. You need to press volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold side button until the screen turns off. And after that, after force restarting your iPhone 17, perhaps the issue will be solved. However, if none of this helped, the last thing that you can do is simply do the factory reset of your phone. So we can once again go to settings and general once again and scroll all the way down and open transfer or reset iPhone, but this time we want to go to erase all content and settings. So remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose. And once you are ready, we can press continue, and then of course you will have to go through the initial configuration again, and hopefully this will solve the issue. However, if even factory resetting your iPhone 17 didn't help, the last thing that you can do is seek professional help. You can try to contact Apple support and try to, make a hardware check, or actually let them do the hardware check, and that's pretty much it. So unfortunately, if the issue is still there after performing all of these different things, unfortunately there's nothing much left that you can do on your own. So it is then recommended to, like I said, to seek professional help. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.